Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger audio call. If you're experiencing issue with the sound during Messenger audio calls, you can try the following steps. First, you need to check your device's volume. Ensure that the volume on your device is turned up and not muted. Also check if the call volume within the Messenger app is adjusted correctly during a call. You could try restarting your Messenger app. First, you need to open it and simply close it from the device, and this can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Or you could also try restarting your device. Starting your phone or tablet can also help resolve various software related issues, including sound problems. You could also check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for clear audio during calls. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. You could also try updating your Messenger app. Set Go to Play Store, and in the top there's a search bar. Type Messenger or simply tap on it over here, and ensure that you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve audio issues. Or you could also try using headphones if the sound issue still persists. Try using headphones or headset during calls to see if the problem is related to your device's speaker. And if you continue to experiencing sound issues during Messenger audio calls after trying these steps, there may be a hardware problem with the device and you may need to contact the device manufacturer or further assistance. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.